Welcome all the participants. I request Doshi sir to start the sixth session on Excel and Excel training, sir. I hand over the session to Doshi sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Radheshamji. Thank you. Thank you very much. A very good evening to one and all. And I hope you all are enjoying the session. And I'm getting very good comments, very good feedback on my personal WhatsApp and individual. Many of them are calling me. They are telling me that sir, Excel तो हमको पता ही नहीं था इतना सारा कुछ हो सकता है Excel में. I'm very much glad that you all are loving it. Thank you all of you. And as I have already told that I will be starting with one of the very powerful function known as Excel 365. Okay, I am sharing my screen right now.
Sir.
Yeah, is my screen and everything properly visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So the first feature we will be starting today is XLOOKUP. Okay, XLOOKUP, one of the very powerful function, very powerful feature. Okay, यहाँ पे many of you must be knowing VLOOKUP. Okay, there are many limitations of VLOOKUP. First and foremost limitation was we cannot go right to left. We have to just go left to right करना था, but right to left मुझे मेरा lookup value ये है और lookup array ये है, तो वो नहीं कर सकता. We cannot go right to left. This was the biggest limitation of VLOOKUP, wherein we cannot go right to left. Second biggest limitation was every time we have to enter row number. In XLOOKUP, there is no compulsion, there is no functionality, I would say, to enter any row number. That is the biggest advantage. Third thing is very XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP is that repetition. Okay, or else I would say unique value. When we compare with one sheet with another sheet, there should be one uniqueness. Okay, if that uniqueness is not there, it will show you wrong results if there is repetition. In XLOOKUP, you can give command that if you want to search it from last to first or first to last. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 2 टाइम दिल्ली है. Delhi is for 2 times. In VLOOKUP, there was a limitation. It will capture only one. In XLOOKUP, we have an option that we can capture first to last or last to first. Fourth thing is in XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, if there is an error, then you have to do if error wala nesting. In XLOOKUP, if error nesting is not necessary, directly you can give command. Fourth thing is approx match. In approx match with asterisk mark we used to use into VLOOKUP, but in XLOOKUP there is no use of asterisk mark. Directly you can use approx match feature in XLOOKUP. And the last limitation was it was not dynamic. XLOOKUP is very dynamic. Okay, whenever you change any data, I will show you exactly. This is not theoretical. When I will show you practical, you will get to know each and every features one by one. You will get to know how to use it. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो XLOOKUP, one of the very powerful. Everyone with me with 110% attention. It is very powerful, very frequently used, one of my first rank favorite. Okay, XLOOKUP. Gone are the days when we used to use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. कोई जरूरत नहीं है. XLOOKUP very powerful function. I am using XLOOKUP right now. Okay, XLOOKUP. Excel is asking me lookup value. Okay, Excel is asking me lookup value. Lookup value will be Karnataka, comma. Lookup array. Lookup array will be. मुझे कहाँ पे देखना है ये states. I will have to just select the whole column. Okay, comma. Return array. Return array is the thing which we want in return. See here, we are going right to left. In VLOOKUP, there was no functionality wherein we can go from right to left. There was no functionality. But here we can go right to left also. That's it. You have to just bracket close, and that's it. Here you can see. Here you can see the magic. Hardly, I will tell you, hardly it will take 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, XLOOKUP, lookup LU, lookup array, return array. That's it. Here you can see. Now I can just press freeze of freezing में कर सकता हूँ, and I will just copy and paste. Here you can see. Here you can see within a second it can be done. Within a second it can be done. Before jumping to next example, I would request you to try it right now. XLOOKUP at your PC. XLOOKUP at your PC. I will repeat again. If you want, I will repeat again. XLOOKUP. Lookup value Karnataka. Lookup array is state. Return array is department. That's it. And I will just freeze lookup value and lookup array. F4 is the shortcut for freezing. That's it. Copy and paste. Here you can see within a seconds. I would request you to try right now. Then I will take second example. I'm going to take multiple examples for XLOOKUP. Multiple examples. One by one we will go. Okay, second example for XLOOKUP. Everyone with me with 110% attention over here on my screen right now. Everyone on my screen right now. Very second example. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे now I will show you one magic. Okay. What do you mean by dynamic array? बहुत बार सुना रहेगा dynamic array, dynamic array. What does it mean, man? क्या इतना क्या है dynamic? Okay. Today I will go you explain. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो मैं दिल्ली ये जो जितने भी है मैंने यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला कुछ दिया ही नहीं है. Here you can see F2. There is no formula only. F2 में यहाँ पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ सिर्फ फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे था. There is no formula only. What is the reason for that? This is something which मैं यहाँ पे first delete करता हूँ तो everything will be get deleted. Okay. XLOOKUP. Lookup value will be Delhi, comma, my lookup array. Instead of selecting the whole column, मैं सिर्फ इतना ही select कर रहा हूँ lookup array. Okay. Freeze करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay. क्योंकि मेरे को copy paste करना नहीं है. Comma, return array. What do you mean by return array? Return array means the things which you want in return. Okay. I want the whole table. The whole table I want. Return array. Repeating again, in return array, I want the whole table over here. That's it. Bracket close. Here you can see magic. This is something dynamic. Okay. When we change any one एक कोई formula देना, everything will get dynamic. Okay. So this finance, if you can see over here the finance thing. Yeah. Finance Delhi 8 lakh to 7 lakh 99, 8 lakh to 7 lakh 92, 792, 792. Okay. यहाँ पे you can see this is known as spilling of data. The blue color line which you must have seen over here, that is known as a spilling of data. Means your data has been spilled by dynamically. So this is something which is dynamic. These four columns are something which is dynamic. Okay, and it is dynamically we are giving a data command to only one formula, and it is dynamic. Whenever I change only one thing, all will get automatically changed. Okay, you don't have to just copy and paste the formula over here. Okay. But see, Delhi has been repeated over here. Delhi यहाँ पे दो time repeat हुआ है. Delhi is Delhi 1 and Delhi 2. Okay, it is repeated for 2 times. Is there any solution for that? By not getting a repetition? Okay, yes, there is a solution. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो lookup value, lookup array, return array. If after these three criteria, Excel is asking me if not found, match mode and search mode. These are something optional because they are into square brackets. If they're into square brackets, that are optional. Okay. Suppose we want to use these features also. Each and every feature I am going to explain you regarding XLOOKUP. Value is if not found, I will show you a second example. Okay. Match mode also I will show you into third example. Search mode. Here they are asking me for the search mode. मैं blank छोड़ देता हूँ, जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए I will keep it blank. First to last or last to first or anything. Okay. I want first to last or last to first. If I want last to first, then here you can see I can just select -1. That's it. Here you can see it is last to first. After that you can see यहाँ पे दिल्ली जो second time आया था, यहाँ पे उसका ये आ गया. Everyone can try right now. I will wait for 2 minutes. Going to explain this 3 more times. You don't have to worry. 3 more times I am going to explain all these things. Kishan has a very good question. What if Delhi is repeated for 3 times? If it is repeated for 3 times, then there is a limitation for XLOOKUP also, because it will either capture from first to last or last to first. बीच वाला capture नहीं करेगा वो. Everyone hit comment and let me know how wonderful this feature is, XLOOKUP, and how you can speed your calculations in compared to VLOOKUP. Rahul has commented very advanced. Okay, so I have a query. They did not understood first to last and last to first. Okay, I will explain it again. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो मैंने पूरा फॉर्मूला खत्म कर दिया. उसके बाद Excel is asking me after return array, if I press comma, Excel is asking me value if not found. I will just press I will just leave it as a blank, again comma, match mode, again I have to leave it as blank, again comma, then search mode. In search mode you can just press -1. See here, last to first is -1 and first to last is 1. -1 for last to first and for first to last it is 1. So you have to just press -1. That's it. Press enter. Here you can see it is 877. Okay, the last to first. And if you want only one, then it will be first to last. Here you can see 8,02,000. Both the sides I have shown you. Here also same thing, last to first, first to last. मैंने यहाँ पे जो था, by default if I don't press anything it will be first to last only, but if I want my last to first then it will be -1. This is by default. See, I have pressed here by default, it will by default it will capture first to last only. Yogesh has commented, very useful and grateful. Thank you, Yogesh. Very wonderful question. Okay, आज क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं, मजा आ रही है. By Anil, there is a very wonderful question. If we want both Delhi, there is a function known as filter. Okay, tomorrow I will be taking filter. In the filter function, both Delhi will come. I will show you tomorrow how it works. Okay, I will take more examples for XLOOKUP. One more example I will take for XLOOKUP. Okay, suppose here it is everyone on screen right now with 100% attention over here. Everyone on screen right now. Why B column has been free? I have received a query. Why B column? Okay. सर फ्रीजिंग इसके लिए किया है क्योंकि मैं यहाँ से कॉपी एंड यहाँ से पेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. ओके, मैं यहाँ से कॉपी करके यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, तो ये दिल्ली आगे IGST में नहीं जाना चाहिए. इट शुड बी हियर ओनली. फॉर दैट पर्पस आई हैव kept it as freezing. Okay, so this is Pune. Okay, here Pune is not there. Okay, what I have to use XLOOKUP. Under XLOOKUP Pune lookup value हो गया. Lookup array is B. Return array is department. Okay, here you can see NA. This NA creates a big problem. Okay, unnecessarily आपके totals भी नहीं आ रहे. Okay, so in order to avoid this NA, if you press comma, Excel is asking you what if it is not found. What if it is not found? Is there any option for that? Yes, there is an option for that. You can just mention in double inverted commas. Repeating again, Excel understands the language only in double inverted comma. No found. I can just type here no found. That's it. Here you can see no found. Here you can see no found. It will not create any. Okay, one more example I am taking with XLOOKUP. Three more examples I will take one by one. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे सेल्स था 10,000 के लिए 10 कमीशन. Okay, if 10,000 to 20,000 0% commission. Okay, above 20,000 it is 15%. Above 50,000 20, 40 and so on. Okay, purposely after 10 I have kept 30 and last में 20 लिया था मैंने. Okay, here there are so I have clear kept here. Okay, यहाँ पे आप जब लोग एक्स लुकअप मेंटेन करते हो तब यहाँ पे आप -1 जो है एग्जैक्ट मैच और नेक्स्ट स्मॉलर आइटम. पहले तो मैं पूरा डिलीट करता हूँ ये. X lookup value is 20,000. Lookup array is the sales amount. I will keep it as freeze, and return array is the commission amount. Okay, bracket close. I will just copy and paste. Here you can see NA because 25,000 is something which is not available over here. Okay. Now what I will just press comma. Not if not found I will ignore. Match mode is a next exact match or next smaller item. -1 if I click copy and paste. If it is -1, okay. Here you can see for 25,000 it is 15%. For 25,000 it is 15%. Here you can see. If an about 20 or which 15%. For 35,000 it is 20%. If an about 30 to 40. 45,000 it is 25%. 19,000 it is 0%. 19,000 देखो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 10 to 20 it is 0 only, okay, and 1 lakh it is 35,000. Maximum is 35,000. Here you can see. Repeating again, same formula. In match mode, you have to just select -1. It will match exact or next smaller item, and just press enter. Everyone, please try right. XLOOKUP works only in Excel 365. It works only in Excel 365. As I said earlier, today's and tomorrow's session is only related to 365. You can just imagine the power of 365. $19,000 it is not showing any, it is showing 0. Here you can see for 19,000 it is showing 0 because see now for 10,000 it is 0. After 20 it is 15%. 10 to 20 it is 0 only. Dollar symbol will come with F4. F4 you have to select for dollar symbol. Positive or negative figures you have to just select from the Excel, whatever they are showing you. Okay, I'm repeating again the commission thing. I am repeating again. XLOOKUP, lookup value, lookup array, return array, comma, if not found, ignore, match mode -1, bracket close.
हेलो वैभव सर,
Yes sir.
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
Yes sir. प्रैक्टिस के लिए बोला है। So the next example for, again I'm going to explain XLOOKUP. The next example for XLOOKUP, trust me, XLOOKUP, there are various permutations or combinations which you can do for XLOOKUP. A very powerful function, a very powerful feature. Okay, here you can see a long big table is there. Okay, so whenever we want to prepare a GSTR1, you all being from CF fraternity, okay, if you want to prepare GSTR1, there are a lot of, every time a client sends you a sales register is very big. It has a transaction type, document number, number, date, expiry, entry date, tax year, tax period, type, supplier code, supplier name, supplier state, GSTN, invoice number, invoice date, currency, taxable, tax rate, blah blah blah. So big table. Okay, each and every time हमको what we exactly need is that, मैं edit कर लेता हूँ. What we exactly need is only this many items. Only this many items we need. Document number. Okay. Invoice number. We want only invoice number, invoice date, supplier number, state, taxable, ICS, gross, and rate. Only we need for GSTR1. Only we need this many things. Okay. So each and every time, each and every month, when we get so big list, it is a havoc for us to sort and then to cut and paste and everything. There is a shortcut for that. Also, one more thing, XLOOKUP works for columns as well as rows. It works for horizontal as well as vertical. Okay, so XLOOKUP, lookup value is invoice number, comma, lookup array, I will select the whole table, header of the table which you want to compare with. Okay, comma, return array is the thing which you want in return. Freeze. Okay, freeze कर दो. That's it. Press enter. You can see मेरे यहाँ पे I will just copy and paste. Here you can see spelling. मैं इसको डेट फॉर्मेट में करता हूँ. ओके, एंड ये सबको मैं अमाउंट फॉर्मेट में करता हूँ. दिस इज समथिंग which has the power. Okay, within a second. Here you can see this is a spelling. यहाँ पे देखो फॉर्मूला है ही नहीं. यहाँ पे देखो फॉर्मूला ही नहीं है. What is only first रो मैंने फॉर्मूला किया था. I have to select the whole thing and here you can see. Here you can see the amount also. मैं अमाउंट का टोटल भी करवा सकता हूँ. Here you can see. यहाँ पे तो टोटल के कुछ मतलब SGST रेट. ओके, CGST वैल्यू, SGST वैल्यू एंड द टोटल अमाउंट एंड द ग्रॉस अमाउंट. Here you can see all the things are possible. Repeating the whole feature again. I will lookup value will be my invoice number, comma, return lookup array. Lookup array will be the whole header of the table which you want to compare with. That is known as lookup array, comma, return array. Return array is the thing which you want in return. You have to press freeze, bracket close, copy and paste. That's it. Within a second it is possible. Trust me guys, within a second it is possible. Within a second. Here you can see the magic, how spelling it is done. This is known as this is something, the another level which you should think of for Excel. Everyone hit comment right now and let me know, will XLOOKUP make your life easy? By Prachant, yes. By Sunita Patel, it's yes. Sonika, yes. Everyone, please try right now. I will wait for 5 more minutes. Please try right now. Everyone on screen right now, I am explaining for one more time. I will explain this for one more time. So XLOOKUP works for rows and columns both. Okay. XLOOKUP. My lookup value is invoice number, comma. Lookup array is the whole table headings. I will press freeze, comma, return array. I will just just select the whole table, bracket close. Yeah, I will just copy and paste. I will just do it in date format and this into number format. That's it. There must be some mistake in formula when you get spill error. Please check again whatever what formula I'm using. By Bhavika, it is very useful comment. I would request everyone to please try right now. Very wonderful feature, very powerful feature. Please check the formula, what you are typing. It has to be correct. Otherwise, name error, spill error, everything will come. Rahul Sharma has managed to do this. He is telling it's done. The header name should be same. It does not mean that header same पूरा का पूरा same चाहिए. The name of which you want in header, that should be exactly same. Are you all able to manage this? By Satish Agrawal, he said it is done by Anshata Rawat has also done it. Glad. By Amit Jain, it's done. Wonderful. By Yogesh, he's telling it's a very good function. Thank you, Yogesh. Okay, we are going to next feature, a very powerful, a very wonderful feature, stock market analysis. Tell me stock market कीड़ा कौन कौन है यहाँ पे? Please hit comment and let me know who all are stock market कीड़ा. You know, like बहुत ही stock market करना है, like analysis and study of charts and break points and everything. Perfect, wonderful. We have couple of been receiving comments. Stock market, okay. So today I'm going to tell you how can you make a live analysis, a live portfolio analysis can be done into Excel, a live data extraction into Excel. One of the very important, very powerful, very nice feature, I would say. Okay, if you want to explore this, you can do many things through this, through the feature which I'm doing, which I'm going to explain to you right now. Stock market analysis. If you, I guess this feature is also available in Excel 2019. I'm not sure, but this feature is also available in 2019. If you go to data tab, if you go under data tab, there is an option known as stocks. If you go to the data tab, there is an option available known as stocks. Here you can see convert cells with company names or trigger symbols like MSFT to get current stocks info like price, exchange, and many more. It is powered by Blink. If you can see here, it is powered by Blink. Blink means it is a search engine of Microsoft, okay, wherein wherein all information of data or information and everything are extracted from there. Okay, this is something the yellow color. Okay, जो columns मैंने yellow color की है, that are the formulas I have given here. Okay, this is the current price value, this is the last close price, a PE ratio and volume. Okay, I will just right click. Okay, I will go to the stock. This is Tata Consultancy Limited, Larsen Toubro, HDFC Bank, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, ITC, HDFC Limited, State Bank of India, Titan Company. Many stocks are taken over here. I will just right click anywhere. Okay, and just press refresh button over here. And I will just press a refresh button over here. I will just click and just press refresh button over here. Here you can see my price will automatically change over here. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ मेरा पूरे के पूरे प्राइसेस चेंज हो गए. टाटा कंसल्टेंसी सर्विसेज, it is 3157 3197 is the price, okay, of Tata Consultancy Services. Can anyone please check, those who are using Excel 2019, is data types option available under data? Can anyone please check who are using Excel 2019? Okay, so I'm getting it is not available. So so here you can see it is only available in Excel 365. It is not available in Excel 2019. You have to upgrade yourself to get Excel 365. We can cross check also TCS share price. We can just go and cross check TCS share price. Here you can see तीन चार रुपए का जो फर्क है that will be on the closing basis. लास्ट क्लोजिंग बेसिस में एनएससी बीएससी में जितना भी क्लोजिंग बेसिस होता है that 3-4 रुपए का उतना फर्क रहता है ये. Larsen to Bro LT share price 1347 1345 2 रुपीज क्लोजिंग में डिफरेंस रहता है उतना. एचडीएफसी बैंक शेयर प्राइस 1372 1371. Yes, it is exactly matching. So how it is done, I will tell you how it is done. So we will just take one simple example, Axis Bank. Okay, Axis Bank लेने के बाद I will just go and press to stocks. After just pressing it to stocks, okay, here you can see यहाँ पे Axis Bank BSE, Axis Bank NSE, Axis Bank Limited Mexican Stock Exchange, Axis Bank Limited London Stock Exchange. Whatever we want, we can select. We can just select NSE over here. After selecting NSE, here you can see there are various options available over here. 52 weeks high, 52 weeks low. Okay, if I go to this symbol, okay, if I go to this symbol here, you can see Excel will show me the details about Axis Bank Limited. आज 6% बढ़ा है. Wow, that's great. Is it so 6% बढ़ा है Axis Bank? 667 667 यार 2-3 रुपए का फर्क उतना रहने वाला है. करेक्ट, परफेक्ट परफेक्ट. So change, okay, change 38 rupees. Employees are okay. 74,000 employees are there. Wow, perfect, wonderful. Headquarters जो है मुंबई में अवेलेबल है. The headquarters of Axis Bank. High 674. Okay, industry banking services. Okay, then thereafter we can we can remove volume also. We can take volume. Okay, very big volume. Okay, previous PE ratio also we can compare. Okay, now market capitalization also we can see and compare how much market cap Axis Bank is having. Wonderful, wonderful. So very wonderful technique, very wonderful feature. Okay, you can do n number of things. Number of employees भी समझते हैं. This is something which I have used conditional formatting. Okay, I have just make my own portfolio. This is a fake portfolio. Please don't misunderstand that these are my stocks. Okay, नहीं तो कल कोई बोल देगा सर ये आपने स्टॉक बोला था लेने के लिए, अभी आप इसका भर के जो. It is not like that. This is a dummy portfolio. Okay, it is not my own portfolio. Last close, okay, day gain and volume also I have given. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. I can give this all this. This is the magic, and this is what which you can do with the stock options. You can create any stocks. Okay. Now again, the second thing which I can go Bajaj Auto also I can check over here. I have to just select Bajaj Auto and stocks में से select करना है. I can just select Bombay Stock Exchange. how to put headers for each column. Okay, headers for each column. If you want to put headers, okay, मैं यहाँ पे दो stocks लेता हूँ, Titan, कंपनी नेम, फर्स्ट हेडर में डाल देता हूँ यहाँ पे. I will just convert it into format as table. Okay. Now I can give various description यहाँ पे दे सकता हूँ, employees दे सकता हूँ, high दर देख सकता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, beta I can give 52-week high, market cap, PE ratio, shares outstanding, year incorporated. Wonderful thing, wonderful. You can do n number of things, n number of things. I will wait for 5 minutes. Everyone, please try right now. Just right click and press refresh, and it gets updated. Live stock market. You have to just right click. Okay. यहाँ पे थोड़ा एक 2-5 मिनट का फर्क पड़ सकता है. Not very prompt. Okay. Not very prompt, but 2-5 मिनट का फर्क पड़ता है. You have to just type the name of the stock and data में जाके stock को select करना है. Yeah, we can do analysis of stock also. In next sheet, I will show you the analysis of stock. Yeah, I'm charging my laptop. Thanks for your concern. For 3 more minutes. All stocks are possible over here. Okay, can we go for next session? Sorry, next feature. Now I'll show you some more analysis, how to do analysis with this thing. Okay, so if you want to do more analysis with stock market, there is a option. There is a option known as stock history. Through stock history, you can do various analysis. You can just compare date, open date, low, close, high, and various features can be done. I will delete the whole thing. Okay. So there is a formula known as stock history. You have to select the stock is Axis Bank Limited, comma, your start date will be 28 July, comma, End date will be 24th July, comma. Interval you want daily? Yes, I want daily. Okay, 0, comma. You want headers or not? Yes, I want headers. I will press 1, comma. First, what all properties you want? I want date as first. Okay, यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा था date, comma. After date, I want open, high, low, and close. Bracket close. Here you can see, here it is formula. So you can analyze n number of things over here: open, high, low, close. After selecting the whole table, okay, after selecting the whole table, you can go to the insert tab. Under insert tab, you can go to recommended charts. You can go to all charts over here. Under all charts, there is an option on a stock. Under stock option, there is a open, low, high, close, open, high, low, close option is there over here. You have to just press OK. After pressing OK, here you can see open, high, low, close formula is there. Under open, high, low, close, you can just expand the whole table over here. Under whole table, there is, you can change the colors also, color style, and everything can be changed. Here you can see. Here you can see this table. You can change over here. After that, you can just expand the table. After expanding the table, uh, every features are available over here. Series, you can see close, point, value. Value is also available for 20th July, for 21st July. If you really know how to study hammer, this is known as hammer chart. Okay, hammer chart. It is up close and everything is available over here. This hammer is also available. You can do n number of analysis with the charts over here. Stock history option is available to the persons who are stock option is the option available. Stock history is the feature available to those persons who have registered to Insider Office 365. Okay. Anyone who are using 365 can please check whether stock history option is available at your end. Please check. Everyone who are using 365 over here, can you please check whether stock history formula is available at your end? Perfect. So I'm getting yes comments. Okay. So please try stock history right now at your end. Please try. Yeah, I'm going to repeat it again. You please don't have to worry. I'm going to repeat it again. Stock history was first available only to those persons who are registered for insider. Okay, so everyone on screen right now, here you can see how to register for insider. It is for free. If you go to accounts option, under accounts option, there is an option known as office insider. Okay, here you can see about office insider. I am an office insider. That means I have signed up as a beta channel in 365. Whatever new features are going to launch, that features are first get available to 365 insider people only. Basis their comments and their feedback, then the changes can be done afterwards. I'm going to repeat stock history for one more time till the time I will just ask you all people to please try it right now. Yes, you can join to Insider program also. Insider is free of cost. Whenever there are new features, latest features are available. That features are first available to Office Insiders only. Okay, so for the stock option, I'm going to share with you right now the another another technique for stock options. Okay, another technique I'm going to share right now. Here you can see date, volume, open, high, low, close. These all parameters we want. Okay, stock history. Let me change the stock. HDFC Bank. National Stock Exchange, stock history, stock, start date, end date, interval, daily, comma, show headers, yes, date, volume, open, high, low, close. Here you can see. Here you can see date wise 21st, 28th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th July. Volume, open, high, low, close. All features are available over here. If you want to insert any date chart over here, you can go to recommended charts. Under all charts, there is an option known as stock charts. Under stock charts, there is an option known as open, low, high, close. Here you can see, you can insert this chart. Very wonderful and very powerful feature. You can do you can do analysis with stock chart. Okay. You can change the color also. ओके यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो वेरी वंडरफुल फीचर फॉर स्टॉक चार्ट you can do n number of things. Everyone please try right now and let me know how wonderful you think stock feature is. Please hit comment right now. This is something another level. Huh? This is something another level which actually is thinking about. How to type stock name? You have to type. It's very easy to type. Just Axis Bank लिख लो, that's it. You have to go to data and select a stock. Everyone please try right now. Everyone please try right now. Very wonderful feature, very powerful feature. Stock market analysis. How to know whether it's one or two? When we go to Excel, okay, everyone on screen right now. When we go to Excel, okay, so here you can see Excel is only asking me one karna hai, two karna hai, kaun sa karna hai. Excel is only asking me. 3 means 2 means open, 3 means high, 4 means low, 5 means volume. Okay, everyone on screen right now. I am going to the next feature over here. I'm going to the next feature over here, geography option. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो geography option. It is a very wonderful feature. यहाँ पे आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. Okay, so here I have taken three. Okay, यहाँ पे मैंने इंडिया, चाइना, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. I will go to the data option. Under data option, there is a option known as geography. I will just select geography. It is an online function. I just select geography. Okay. If someone asks you, okay, what is the largest city? Okay, largest city यहाँ पे आ गया. After that, GDP. GDP is also available. Okay. After that, leaders. नरेंद्र मोदी, XI जिनपिंग, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप. यहाँ पे डोनाल्ड ट्रंप तो अभी निकल गया, ये चेंज नहीं हुआ है यहाँ पे, अपडेट ब्लिंक में अपडेट नहीं हुआ है. ओके, लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी. ओके, सबसे कम लाइफ इंडिया में है. इज इट लाइक, डू यू थिंक रियली? ओके. पॉपुलेशन. पॉपुलेशन इज आल्सो अवेलेबल ओवर हियर. पॉपुलेशन सबसे ज्यादा चाइना, सेकंड रैंक इंडिया. ओके. आफ्टर दैट, टोटल टैक्स रेवेन्यू. टैक्स रेवेन्यू भी है यहाँ पे. टोटल टैक्स रेट सबसे ज्यादा चाइना में है. ओके. आफ्टर दैट इंडिया. ओके. अर्बन पॉपुलेशन आल्सो इज अवेलेबल ओवर हियर. ओके. Population income share for 20%. Okay. Life infant mortality, various things are available over here. This is the magic. This is the powerful. Okay. These are known as data types. So these data types, Microsoft has thought something, okay, to bring something, okay, some projects which they want to bring in unique. Okay. That is known as data types. Under data types, many options can be done. Uh, it gives you a knowledge. Okay, it is directly linked online with Blink, which is search engine of Microsoft. Through Blink, many options gets available through data types. Data types are something which Excel is thinking, which Microsoft is thinking to another level. uh, Also, I have seen some statements in Twitter that Microsoft is soon going to bring many all of the informations through data types. So everything, you don't have to go to Google only. Excel itself will be a next Google. That I can understand. This is something which Excel is thinking about another level. Everyone hit comment and let me know how do you think data types are. Got comment from Bhavika. It is wonderful feature. Okay. Suppose I want city into this option. Okay. City, Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad. I will just format it as table. I will select all the cities and I will convert it into geography. I will go to data tab. Under data tab, I will convert it into geography. After converting to geography, here you can see latitude, longitude, population. एक मिनट चालू रखो. एक मिनट. Name, leaders. Leaders are also available over here. Kishori Padnekar is the mayor. Shikhar Gaikwad, municipal commissioner. Bijal Patel. Okay. Area is also available over here. Okay. Admin division 1, Maharashtra. Admin division 2, that is also same. Here you can see, you can similar to city. If you want to try with states also, then also you can try. I will just select states also. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka. I will just go to data, and under data I will just select geography. Here you can see population, Leaders: Uddhav Thackeray, Chief Minister. Okay. Kishore Kanani is the minister. Vijay Rupani, Chief Minister of Gujarat, uh, and various ministers, okay, are available over here. Largest cities also available: Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bangalore. Image is also available. Major cities also available. Area is also available. Abbreviation is also available: GJ, KA, MH. Time zone तो same ही होगा, Indian Standard Time. These all features, these all functions are available with a geography function. Request you to please try right now. Anupam Gupta is telling that it's mind blowing, sir. Both stocks and geography are awesome functions. Did not know till today they existed. Thank you, Anupam. Thank you so much. Excel is looking something, it is into another level. Seriously. We'll wait for another 2 minutes. Please try with states. Under data types, I'm going to tell you next important function under data types only. Okay, I'm going to tell you very important function. I have taken some movies. Okay, War, Doom, Swades, Sholay, Lagan, Three Idiots. Okay, very latest movie, very old movie also. I have taken medium launch year launch movies here I have also taken. Okay, here you can see if I go, I've converted into movies option. If I go to data types, you can go to movies option. वॉर 2019 वाला सिलेक्ट करता हूं मैं. धूम 2004 वाला सिलेक्ट करता हूं. थ्री इडियट्स 2009 वाला सिलेक्ट करता हूं. Here you can see the movies option. Now if I want the company, okay, Yasraj Films, okay, MH Studios, Amir Khan Production, Vinod Chopra Productions. Director Siddharth Anand, Sanjay Gandhi, Ashutosh Gavnekar, Ramesh Sippy, Ashutosh Gavnekar. Lagan and Swades का सेम ही है. Rajkumar Hirani. Okay. Image also we can get. All images also we can get. Language also we can get. War, wonderful. War to Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Spanish, French, Russian, English, Japanese. Bro, very big, wonderful, wonderful. Producer also we get over here. Release date also we get. Wow, man, so amazing, amazing. Run time also. US box office total releases. Seriously, man, so wonderful. इतना भी बहुत कुछ मिल सकता है. Three Idiots has got the highest receipts. Okay. Writer also we can get. So amazing, so amazing. Wikipedia summary text also we can get. whatever we want. If you go to the movies option, here also you can see. If you want to go to movies option, here also you can see war, basic information, anything you want, anything about war, you can go and search over here. I will wait for another 5 minutes. Please try it right now. Anyone who is using 365, are they getting options for these movies or not, or they are getting only geography and stocks? Please comment. Only geography in stock. Only geography in stock. Only geography in stock. One, okay. So everyone on screen right now, I will tell you the reason behind it. Okay. In 365, I have registered for Office Insider. So this data types which they have launched there, that is not available to public. This is something which I am showing, which are available to Insider. You can also register to Insider. You can enjoy the features of Insider which are not available to common public. Um, uh, it is all free of cost, I told you. And after Insider program, it is launched after into Insider program. After 3-4 months, it will get available to public. So you are so lucky that this batch is so lucky that they are that they are learning those features which are not available to public also. How to register? You can go to files, okay, under files, under accounts, you can go and you can register for Office Insider over here. Office Insider. Change channel. You can change channel also. Office Insider is beta channel. You have to register for beta channel. Office Insider, it will take time. It will not immediately convert it. It will not immediately convert into Office Insider. It will take 1 or 2 days time. After that, you will be eligible for other information. Your Excel, your Microsoft will get updated in backend. After that, you will be able to enjoy Office Insider program. Rahul has commented that he is also using Insider. Okay, Rahul, now you are eligible for all features. So the last feature, the last function which I'm going to tell you today is about food option. Okay, under data types there is an option known as food. Okay, so I am taking a very yummy and delicious products. I am taking today: pizza, apple, mango, burger, banana, and pasta. I'm sure you all must be hungry right now. Just wait for 5 more minutes, and yes, food option. Who are very diet, who want to do diet, who are fitness freak, who goes to gym, and for them it is very useful. Okay, very wonderful feature. You can just select and you can select food option over here. After selecting the food option, here you can see Excel will tell you to select from the options what available options. Burger 240 calories वाला लेते हैं. Okay, after that you can see calcium per daily use, calories from fat, calories total, cholesterol. सबसे ज्यादा बर्गर में कोलेस्ट्रॉल है. Oh my god. Common serving description: one item 150 gram. Common serving mass, fat total. There are many things. Who are fitness freak, diet freak, you can please vitamin C, then vitamin A, mass consumed. After that sugar total. सबसे ज्यादा शुगर किस में है? मैंगो में. ओके. After that protein also you can take. Food type: pizza, apple, banana. Okay, carb, iron also you can take. Various nutrition level, n number of things you can take, n number of things. After that, if you want, you can see your pizza also, calories also you can see. Everything is available over here. Description also you can see. Amount consumed also you can see. Common serving calories, vitamins, categorization also you can see. 4 cheese pizza, again everything you can see. This is so wonderful. Please hit comment and let me know who are diet freak and fitness freak over here. Please hit comment and let me know how do you think this feature is useful. Rahul has commented yes, he is fitness freak. So Rahul, do you think this feature is that much available for you, that much beneficial for you? Yes, yes, very much he is telling. Very powerful feature, very powerful feature. Other options you will get under data in 1 or 2 days after you convert it into insider option. It will get updated and it will get available after 1 or 2 days. So before leaving, please let me know which was the best feature for you today. Which was the best feature? आज का सबसे best feature. Stock option. XLOOKUP by Kishan Bang. XLOOKUP expected था सबसे ज़्यादा. XLOOKUP. Very powerful feature. Very wonderful feature. Geography by Geeta. Stocks. Tomorrow, please don't miss. Tomorrow we will be seeing various dynamic charts. Dynamic array charts कैसे करना है. Thank you so much. Please have a great evening. Thanks for your time.